Dear students, a very warm welcome to all of you today. Today we will discuss a very beautiful poem titled The World is Too Much With Us, composed by none other than William Wordsworth, a wonderful romantic poet. Before we take up a detailed analysis of the poem, it is important to know about biography and facts of the poet William Wordsworth and the introduction and background of the poem. Let's begin with the introduction to the poet William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is considered as one of the giants of English poetry of the 19th century Romantic movement in England, whose greatness as a poet has almost been universally recognized. He was born on April 7, 1770 and lived most of his life in the rural west of England known as Lake District. He was an English romantic poet who, with Samuel Taylor Coleridge, helped to launch the Romantic age in English literature with their joint publication Lyrical Ballads in 1798. Before we proceed further, it is important to know the significance of Romantic movement in English literature. The period of Romanticism, also known as Romantic era or Romantic age, is from 1798 to 1837. What does the word Romanticism stand for? Romanticism means romance for nature. Romanticism was an artistic, literary, musical and intellectual movement that originated in Europe towards the end of 18th century and in most areas was at its peak in the approximate period from 1800 to 1890. Romanticism was characterized by its emphasis on emotion and individualism as well as glorification of all the past and nature, preferring the medieval rather than the classical. William Wordsworth has been a person who has really worshipped nature. Matthew Arnold called him the high priest of nature. It is very important from the exam point of view. In some exams this question used to ask who called William Wordsworth the high priest of nature. So answer is Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold called William Wordsworth the high priest of nature. William Wordsworth was poet laureate from 1843 until his death from pleurisy on April 23, 1850. He defined poetry. It is also important, so listen attentively. He defined poetry in his preface to the Lyrical Ballads as the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. It takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. In simple words, we can say the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings recollected in tranquility. His most famous poems are Lyrical Ballads, The Prelude, The Solitary Reaper, Ode on the Intimation of Immortality, From Recollection of Early Childhood, and some other sonnets. William Wordsworth focused on nature, children, the common poor pupil, and used ordinary words to express his feelings. Now see the introduction to the poem The World is Too Much With Us by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is believed to have composed the poem The World is Too Much With Us in the year 1802 when the Industrial Revolution was in full flower. He published it in the year 1807 as the part of collection known as Poems, which were published in 2 volumes. The materialism that the revolution engendered is one of the reasons Wordsworth has written this poem. In this sonnet, he contrasts nature with the world of materialism. This is a beautiful sonnet written in Petrarchan or Italian model with a theme about being away from materialism and enjoying the beauty and glory of nature. This is a universal theme that remains relevant in today's world. The sonnet reflects Wordsworth's philosophy that humanity must get in touch with nature in order to progress spiritually. If we talk about the background of the poem, first of all, we talk the speaker of this sonnet. So we can say the speaker of this poem, maybe some environmental activist like person, or maybe the poet himself. If we talk about the setting or background of the sonnet, it is a grassland, or called, you can say, lea and pasture overlooking a sea beach. This poem is a complaint of the poet to the pupil of his days, who were not at all moved by the beautiful objects of nature and were engaged all the time in this materialistic world. Now we discuss about the significance of the title. The World is Too Much With Us is one of the excellent poems of William Wordsworth, which was written during the early 1800s. The poem's theme revolves directly upon the material inclination of the world and the tragic result of humankind losing sight of all things truly meaningful. It is a poem which is expressed with a tone of remorse and danger toward the world's state of material inclination